How to fix common error in Twitter. In order to fix common error on Twitter, you would start by checking if the server's wide outage. Then you would try basic fixes like refreshing the page, restarting the app or device, and then checking your internet connection as well. Now, first thing, what you need is you would check your internet connection. So long press the internet connections or the internet section, and here you would simply want to make sure to restart your Wi-Fi or a router as well. That should be able to fix. Now moving on, you could also go ahead and maybe connect or try using a mobile data. That might be able to fix as well. Next, what you need is here on the other field, you could also try simply restarting your device, as sometimes temporary glitch can be fixed by restarting as well. If the issue still persists on, you want to check for an update. So open up your respective app store, type in X on the search bar, and make sure to update the app to the latest version. Next, what you need is here on this page, you could also go ahead and open up settings on your device. Locate app from the list, go to the Twitter, and then you want to go to storage and cache. So click on clear cache, and that should be able to fix. Now, despite doing all this procedure, if nothing works out, then what you need is here you could simply go ahead and uninstall your application and then reinstall it. That is gonna fix your issue. So this way you'll be able to fix common error in Twitter. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.